Hey guys, it's Shane here with BrickDriven Realty. Today I want to talk about the ultimate guide to doing a comparative market analysis like a pro, otherwise known as CMA. So I had a question from one of our newer agents last week. How do I calculate CMAs for my clients? By now you probably know that online home valuations are not always accurate. That's why most real estate experts do a comparative market analysis, or CMA, to find out what a home will actually sell for. If you're new to the business or you need a refresher on how to do these right away, don't worry. I've got a few steps here that you can take to calculate an accurate CMA like a pro. Alright, so let's talk about step one. Get the facts, gather all the information. One of the advantages of CMAs have over online valuations is that you can factor in the unique features of a property. Get to know everything about the home that might affect its value. You might even suggest to your client that you come by and do a pre-home inspection so that you can gather as much information as possible. Next, be sure to find good comps. Once you understand a property inside and out, it's time to find similar properties and see what they sold for. Location is key. The closer a comp is to your client's property, the better. Also, don't forget that a comp becomes less valuable the older it is. Last but not least, make adjustments where needed. No matter how many comps you find, there won't be one that's 100% replica of your client's home. Make adjustments to your comp's price based on the unique facts you found in step one. Don't forget to consider how market factors have changed since the sale of the comp. This is Shane Kilby with BrickDriven Realty. If you have any questions about CMAs, marketing, the listings that you have, or any suggestions or input on how to get more listings, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself or any of our leadership team here at BrickDriven. Also, if you would, please like and share our video, and if you don't mind, please subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you soon. Take care.